Hello mga bestie, Dadal is back. Today, na-inspire ako sa collaboration and new launch na tong Jelly Huenyo X Vice Cosmetics. I miss doing makeup or reviews and first impressions here on my channel, which yun nung gagawin natin ngayon sa collaboration na ito. So, this is it. We have Jelly Huenyo X Vice Cosmetics na collaboration. Yung whatever, whoever, whenever, Jelly's Faves Travel Brush Set. So, I bought it for 885 pesos from the original price na is 995 pesos sa TikTok shop during nung live stream nung Vice Cosmetics. And nakakuha tayo ng somehow discount. Ito yung itsura kapag binuksan mo yung box. So from my right to left, we have universal base brush, tapered fluff brush, spot diffuser brush, angled cheek brush, point blending brush, dual ended detailing brush, and flat filler brush. And also, share ko lang yung first impression ko pagdating nito sa akin. Nagulat ako kasi super liit niya talaga. Ayan o, super cute. Pang travel talaga siya. Yung ideal size ng mga brush na ito. Super cute niya. It's giving Twinkiana na brush. Ganyan, diba? Anyway, enough with the talak. Let's do and apply my makeup. I already prepped my skin moisturizer, primer, and all. Also, remind ko lang kayo na na-wash ko na sila with soap, with antibacterial soap. Make sure then na wash your brushes every time after nyo gamitin or kahit kakabili nyo pa lang. Anyway, for my foundation, I'm going to use Vice Cosmetics Dream Focus na weightless foundation. And I'm going to mix it with Superstay na Maybelline Activewear kasi medyo light to sa akin. So to apply my foundation, I'm going to use their universal base brush. So napansin ko super fluffy na tong brush na ito, and I'm going to prime it. So konting foundation and then swirl natin siya sa back ng hand ko. Ay! Oo, diba nga? So, tapping motion yung ginagawa ko. Hindi ko dinadrag. Ay, oh. By the way, sanay pala akong gumamit ng beauty blender or beauty sponge to apply my foundation, concealer. So, bago sa akin yung paggamit ng brush. And I'm loving it. In fairness. By the way, kung hindi nyo kilala si Jelly Huenyo ay isang super sikat at in-demand na makeup artist here in the Philippines. And I'm a fan actually. So, ito yung side ng aking face na may foundation using their universal base brush. And sa super, nga niya, maliit lang siya, ganyan. Kaya niyang i-target yung mga certain imperfections sa face mo. Also, I always match my neck. Ayan, medyo close naman siya. Kasi naturally yung face ko, medyo reddish dahil sa mga acne marks and all. By the way, nabanggit ko na usually gumagamit ako ng sponge to apply my foundation or concealer kasi may satisfaction na super flawless yung application. Na-experience ko kasi before sa brushes na parang may mga brush streaks sa face mo kapag brush nga yung ginagamit mo to apply your base makeup, ganyan. Pero ito, somehow, parang nagme-melt yung mga products, or ito, foundation na to, sa aking skin. Also, ang full coverage nung combination ng Dream Focus na Vice Cosmetics foundation and Maybelline Superstay na Active Wear. For my contour, I mixed this same foundation pero in a deeper shade. Ito ata, I believe, yung pinaka-deep shade sa collection. Using the same brush, we're going to apply it sa natirang foundation natin dun sa darker or deeper foundation. As you can see, kakaroon tayo ng onting color. Oh, Bogs, di ba nga? Humpak ang cheekbone at jawline ni Keki. So for the next brush na gagamitin natin, we're going to use their Spot Diffuser brush for my nose contour. Ayan. And parang narinig ko lang din during live nung pinapanood ko, nung binili ko to, na yung philosophy ni Jelly sa collection na ito, lalong-lalo na sa brush, ay parang merong, yung mga taong gagamit ito ay merong rights kung paano nila at kung paano nila at saan nila gustong gamitin yung particular brush na iyon sa kanilang makeup routine. So, I totally agree kasi wala namang rules when it comes to makeup. So, as long as you're happy how you do your makeup, diba? Push. So, ay perfect siya sa nose contour mga be. Diba? Snatch. I'm also going to use this for my lip contour. So, definitely, itong brush na to, super lambot niya mga bes. Sa powder, sa cream, kahit na 7 lang yung brushes, sobrang magagamit mo siya kahit saan. For my concealer, I'm going to use these two. This is Vice Cosmetics Endless Cover Up Skin Sealer in the shade Light 2. And this one is Maybelline Superstay Activewear Concealer in the shade number 10. Ayan, pag-mix ko sila kasi itong Vice is medyo yellowish. Ito namang sa Maybelline ay medyo pinkish. So, a little bit here. So, here. So, maglagay lang ako nito on top. Kasi bet ko talaga ang super bright under eye. And I'm going to use yung point blending brush to blend my concealer. In fairness, hindi nauga ang fonda natin sa ilalim. Perfect. So for seamless na blending, make sure na andyan pa rin yung inyong base brush na ginamit na pang contour. At i-blend natin yung edges para hindi siya ganun ka-harsh. So, naparami yung lagay ko ng concealer sa aking nose. And parang na-disrupt niya yung ginawa nating structure na ating nose line. We can always go back dun sa brush na ginamit natin to contour our nose. Para seamless yung blending ng edges and all. With the tapping motion. Ayan, o diba? Nagamot. So, ito na for our under eye. Let's go. Again, tapping motion. Ay. Ay, di ba nga? Alam nyo, napansin ko kapag brush talaga yung gamit, mas buo yung pag-disperse ng coverage ng product. Walang bawas, ganyan. Kasi alam naman natin kapag sa sponge, nasusok ng sponge yung product. Pero dito, diba? Mas ano siya? Mas mainam. Yes. Ang liwanag ng mata ko, be. I mean, ng under eye. So, yan. Drag lang natin to pataas para may lifted effect. Kineme. Ang lakas maka-airbrush, mga sis ako. Okay, fine. Balik tayo dun sa ating bronzer brush to blend seamlessly yung edges. And also, sobrang bilis niya lang i-blend. Ayan, ganyan na siya. Wala pang 5 minutes. And I don't also have to add more product kasi nga mas full coverage yung nabibigay kapag brush yung gamit. Ayan siya mga be, o diba? It's giving pageant queen, pageant girl ang atake. Very maliwanag ang under eye. Contour kong contour. And for our blush, we're going to use their angled cheek brush for our blush. Ayan. So, apply natin siya dito sa upper cheek natin. Between dun sa concealer and sa bronzer. Uy! Ang pretty! Angat pa natin ng onte detail. Nakakaloka. Dapat pala dalawang set yung binili ko para yung isang set for wet application and yung isa para sa dry products, ganyan. So, ito yung ating base na wet na hindi pa natin siniset. Up close. Okay siya, in fairness. And we're going to set it with Vice Cosmetics 24-hour lock setting spray before tayo mag-powder. So ayan, since okay na ating base, we are going to set it with powder and I'm going to use their tapered fluff brush. And yung translucent powder na gagamitin ko is from Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. Balik tayo dun sa point blending brush na ginamit natin pang concealer to blend anything na nag-crease na concealer. Ay, fairness. Oh, Vogue. Hala. Ang perfect. So, set natin yung mga lugar. Yung mga portion na saan tayo naglagay ng concealer. Ayan. For the rest of my face, I'm going to use this Bare and Bliss Soulmate Loose Powder in the shade number 2. Ano siya, medyo ano siya, dark. Yung kanyang, kita niyo ba? Medyo dark yung shade niya. Same brush, yung kanilang tapered fluff brush. So, yun yung gamitin natin sa ating contour. Yep. Perfect. So basically, we're done with our base. As you can see, we can put our powder blush, powder bronzer, and contour, and all that jazz. Pero mayroon pa tayo natitirang dalawang brush from Jelly Huenyo X Vice Cosmetics, which is yung kanilang dual-ended detailing brush and flat filler brush. So I'm going to use it to apply my brows and clean up my brows. Yeah. So yung kanilang dual-ended detailing brush ay may flat brush other side and then may spoolie on the other side. Perfect sa pag-fill in ng ating brows. By the way, I'm using Benefit Cosmetics Foolproof Brow Powder in number 5. So definitely expired na ito dahil matagal na ito nasa akin. Pero we're still going to use it. So, that's my brows filled in. Actually, hindi niya kailangan ng i-clean up. Pero for the sake na magamit natin lahat ng brush, let's use their flat filler brush para linisin yung under ng ating brows. Also, para i-conceal na rin yung ating eyelid. Diba? Linis na agad siya. Yan. So that's it. Let me finish my makeup off cam and I'll be right back with my final thoughts. I'm back. So this is the final look. So ayun na nga, let's go ahead and talk about my thoughts about this Jelly Juvenile travel brush set. Personally, nagustuhan ko siya kahit first time ko lang siya nagamit. I love using these brushes. As you can tell sa mga pinagsasabi ko kanina during nung ina-apply ko siya sa aking face. Nabanggit ko rin kanina na hindi ako masyadong gumagamit ng brush when it comes to wet products. So, nagustuhan ko talaga siya. Hindi siya nag-leave ng brush streaks sa aking face. I must say na it's a staple sa mga makeup artists and also sa mga beginner na nagme-makeup or mga makeup enthusiasts. So, all in all, I really enjoyed using this. And would I recommend this? Yes, definitely. And would I purchase again? Wag muna mga be. Marami tayong mga kagastusan. So that is my review on this Jelly Juvenile x Vice Cosmetics Travel Brush Set. Congratulations to Jelly and Vice. Let me know what you think about this collaboration. And also, yung collaboration nila, meron pang palette. I think 2 palettes na ni-release for full face. Yun, let me know kung gusto nyo ng review. Pag-iipunan natin. So, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please keep safe and healthy, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!